good and cold.
I like my popsicles. I like my green, red, and purple. Purple, red, and green, and green, red, and purple, and yellow, and orange, and blue. I like them all. Just like popsicles. Mama said life was always like a popsicle. You never know how cold somebody's gonna be. Yeah. They say that popsicles are good for the soul, Mama said. I believe her. I don't know why, but I do. Mainly because they're so good. And Jenny, she loves purple. Of course, I like purple too. Yeah. Well, uh-oh. Get it, rascal. Good boy. Well, I better go get my running shoes on. Because I'm gonna have to go running for Jenny because Bubba said she cheated on me with peas and carrots. Mama said that I only like my ping pong paddle. Mama said that well, Mama just said what Mama says goes. Yeah. Yummy. Mama, ooh, I don't wanna die. Sometimes I wish I'd never been born at all. Ooh. Sometimes I wish I'd had more popsicles. Ooh. Nothing really mattered but my popsicle. Mama, I need a purple popsicle, 'cause my green is gone, and all I have now is purple. Purple and orange and yellow and green, and well, I ain't got no more green, but I got white. Wait, there's no white, but there's blue. Blue.